APEC Ultimate High Capacity 5-Stage Complete Filter Set is USA made and designed to last 2x longer. Includes sediment carbon block filters, Dow Filmtec membrane and inline carbon filter. Filmtec 90 GPD membrane is individually lab tested to the highest rejection rate. Certified to remove up to 99% of all contaminants for the best drinking water quality possible. Compatible with APEC RO-90, RO-PERM and most industry standard reverse osmosis system with 10-inch by 2.5-inch filter housings. APEC Ultimate High Flow 5-Stage Complete Filter Set is made in USA with the highest quality filtration components to provide a longer lasting filter set to protect and prolong the lifespan of your reverse osmosis system. Premium quality pre-filter cartridges lasts over 12 months while the membrane and post-carbon filter last 3 to 5 years for fewer filter changeouts and high-performance contaminant removal. Compatible for APEC RO-90, RO-PERM, and all other standard size under-counter 5090 GPD RO systems on the market. First stage. High-grade 10-inch high-capacity polypropylene sediment filter removes dust, particles and rust. 100% pure polypropylene depth filter with exceptional dirt holding capacity translates to longer life and fewer change-outs than existing string wound or resin-bonded filters. Top reviews from the United States. Pricey but effective. I just installed these last night. Ran a TDS test with the original filters before installing these. Flushed these thoroughly and then tested, identical quality. The filters all appear to be OEM replacements, so that's probably why they are pricey. Installation can be a bit of a task. Only took me 30 minutes, but water does spill a little, so you'll probably need bath towels and a big bowl. I started to wonder if it would have been better to just buy another unit instead of the filters, but I saved $100 this way. If you installed your system, you'll be able to figure this out. If not, you'll probably want the smaller filter kit where you just replace the big 3, 1 sediment 2 carbon. Later on, buy another unit when absolutely needed. The membrane lasts a long time and is probably fine.